on both sides. That will help you to put the tire on the rim. Put it in, get the arm over, adjust the arm again at the right place, moved a little bit, and important is that you have the tire over that shoulder of that tool there, and you put it down here. Push it a little bit so it's a little bit locked. After a little bit it's locked. You turn the tire and it falls in. You don't need any push or whatsoever. Same on the other ones. Important is that you are using this gap here for it, and this arm here to have the tire going underneath. So now you need a little bit of pushing, so it's important that the tire stays beyond that area here where you can see. That's important. Careful with your fingers. Once you reach the half, it's not a problem anymore. It's very easy to put in. So don't push it up there. Open the tool and then get the arm away. Now get some pressure in there, and this is now very important. Careful with your fingers. You have your fingers under here, fingers are gone. Put it in here. You see I still have the rim on it. I don't want the tire flip, so that's on purpose. And always a little bit by little bit you can check. Now you can see here it has a little bit of a difficulty. Once it flips, that is the dangerous part. Your fingers are in there, they're gone. Now you put about 3 bars in there, a bit more than it needs. And always check. Don't just continually do it, because tires like to burst. Once you've reached 3 bars, take your valve tool and your valve, have it in your hand, in your finger, like this, like this. Take this one out and push in the valve. Once it's in, you can check again, and now you can adjust the pressure you need. Normally for this kind of tires, we do about 2.5 bar, which is perfect for this. Your tool back, loosen your tire, and now you can put it on your car. Very easy. Okay.